Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to launch your Linux virtual machine with Amazon Lightsail. Amazon Lightsail is a cloud computing service that offers virtual machine storage, database, and networking. So prerequisites to launch a Linux virtual machine with Amazon Lightsail, you will need to following: an Amazon Web Service account, a credit card or bank account linked to your AWS account. Launching a Linux virtual machine with Amazon Lightsail. To launch a Linux virtual machine with Amazon Lightsail, follow these steps. Go to the Amazon Lightsail console, click on Create Instance. In the Choose an Instance Blueprint sections, select Linux and Unix. In Choose on Image section, select the Linux image that you want to use. In Choose an Instance Plan section, select an instance plan that you want to use. In this Configure Instance section, enter the following information: instance name, a name for your instance, SS key pair, the SS key pair that you want to use to connect your instance, and root password, the root password for your instance. In the networking section, select the networking settings for your instance. Click Create Instance. Your instance will be launched within a few minutes. Connecting to your instance. Once your instance has been launched, you can connect to using SSH. To do this, you will need the IP address of your instance. You can find the IP address of your instance in the Lightsail console. To connect your instance using SSH, and open a terminal window to run following commands: sh root address your instance. You will promoted to enter the root password for instance. Once you have entered the root password, you will be logged in your instance. Creating a user account. It is not recommended to use a root account to perform everyday tasks on your instance. Instead, you should create a user account and use that account to perform everyday tasks. To create a user account, run the following commands: sudo add your username. Replace the username with the name of the user account that you want to create. Once you have created a user account, you can log out of the root account and log into user account. To do this, run the following commands: as username, replace the username with the name of the user account that you want to log into. Updating your instance. It is important to keep your instance up to date. To update your instance, run the following commands: sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. This will update your instance operating system and packages. In conclusion, we showed you how to launch a Linux virtual machine with Amazon Lightsail. We also showed you how to connect your instance and how to create a user account. Finally, you showed you how you update your instance. So that's all everyone. I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.